What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to transfer WordPress website to another hosting. First thing you should do is to open your WordPress dashboard, then go to plugins and type here in the search bar WP Vivid. Then click on enter and now we have to add this plugin right here. It's by WP Vivid and it has this number of ratings. Now, after installing this plugin and activating it, you should open its dashboard. Then here, as you can see, it will show you this page right here. And all you have to do is to click on backup now. It will take some time to load. Just wait till it's finished. After that, it will show this message right here that the backup has finished. Now scroll down till you find this section right here. This is the backup of your website. Now here in my case, because I have a small website, I have only one file. So click on download. After downloading, now you have to set up your new hosting with your current domain. Now open the login details of your newly purchased hosting. Normally they will send you the login details and server information. You have to save them because we are going to need them later on. And make sure to see all this information in front of you. If you have something missing, you should contact your new hosting provider in order to get all these information without any missing item. After that, you'll have to go to your domain register company. And here, as you can see, you have to change the domain name server. So copy the new name servers from your email and replace the old name servers. After that, click on Save Changes and make sure to get this message right here that the changes are successfully done. Now your domain will be connected to the new host, but this process isn't instant, so you will have to wait for about 48 hours. But this process mainly takes an average of 1 to 2 hours. But if you face any problem, you can wait till the 48 hours finish. Now, after connection between the domain and host, you should now install WordPress on your new hosting. So copy this server IP address, and after copying it, all you have to do right now is to paste it right here in the search bar, then type cPanel and click on enter. After that, it will show this page right here. Now you have to enter the new username and password that we have seen before in the login details. Then click on login and it will show you this page right here. You should click on WordPress Manager on the left side. Now it will show this page. Click on install. Now you should choose HTTPS from this partition. Choose the domain name and blank the subdirectory partition. Now scroll down and you will find here admin account. Just remember the admin username and the admin password because we will use them later. Then scroll down till you find here this option install. Click on it. Then as shown right here, it will be loading. Wait till it finish. And here, as you can see, it will give you this congratulations message. This means that it was installed successfully. Now you should wait for several hours so that the domain connects to the new hosting. And this also will take about 24 hours to 48 hours, but in average, it takes about 2 to 4 hours. You can visit your website after 1 hour. If you see no changes, this means that the domain didn't connect yet to the new hosting, and you should repeat to check on your website after 6 hours to see if they are connected or not yet. Now, after seeing changes happen to your website, I just forgot to say that you can also use VPN if you are in a hurry, but it is just better to leave the domain connect with the new hosting after several hours. Now visit your website. If you see that your website has been changed, you can go to the search URL up and type wp-admin. It will show you this page right here. You should now log in with your username and password you used while installing WordPress. Now, after signing in, you should go back and click on plugins and search for the same extension WP Vivid and install the same extension again. Now, after installing the extension, activate it, then open the extension and scroll down till you find upload section right here. Then upload the backup file that we downloaded before. Choose the file, then click on upload again. Now, after uploading the file, scroll down till you find in the backup section the file that you have uploaded. Click on restore, then click on restore again. This will take a couple of minutes. Then it will show you a message that says restore completed successfully. Now, after that, you can go back to your website, to your home page, and see if the website is working properly or not. If it's working properly, this means that the process of connection between the domain and the new hosting has been successfully completed. And this process also will take a couple of hours. It may take about 24 to 48 hours. So please do not make any modifications to your website till this time finish. So you can wait 3 days. Then if you want to do any modifications, you can do it to your website. Even if this modification is a very small modification, like changing the themes, for example. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.